and they ride a train.
Tell Mommy how much you like trains.
I like trains.
You do. And you have your own ticket?
I have my own ticket.
Nice. So, and who do you give the ticket to? Who gets the ticket?
Conductor.
And who drives the train?
Conductor.
The engineer. Engineer drives the train, and the conductor takes the tickets, right?
When he takes off, see how fast he goes.
You know what? If this is the last train, if this is the last car on the train, is this the caboose? Are we on the caboose?
Video on there too.
I think so. I think we're on the caboose. No? Okay.
Put the battery back in.
And that's the steering wheel. And that's the steering wheel.
Unbelievable.
That's where. See, there's our tracks. We're gonna go on these tracks.
And it's gonna go that way.
Yeah.
And then we'll come back.
We're gonna get a good view of where we've been.
And we're gonna go up.
Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it. Chug it, chug it, chug it.
Unbelievable.
This is called